Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2018 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, tow hitch, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, premium sound system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.